Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix CapCut no internet problem. So the first thing that you should do, and as I always advise, is to restart the app and restart your phone. So to restart the app, as you can see, like we are having this problem now, you have just to swipe up and also close your phone and leave it closed for 2 minutes. And after that, open it and try again and see if the app started working normally or not. If not, the second step is to check if your internet is working properly on your phone by installing apps like speed test or like some apps like that, and try to see if the internet is working properly or not on your phone. As you can see, internet is working properly on my phone, so the internet is not the problem. And in that case, we move to the third solution, and I think the most convenient solution. We go to settings, and after that we go to cellular. We scroll down until we find like cellular data for like your SIM card. Click on show all, and after that look for CapCut. And as you can see here, the internet is not working because it's turned off on CapCut app. And this option will turn off the internet not on all of your phone and on all of your apps, but it will turn off the internet only for this application. So to turn on the internet again, you have to choose the third option, WLAN and cellular data. And as you will see now, we are going to CapCut again and we will open it. And as you can see, the internet is working again and CapCut application is working again without any problem. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.